If you want to win more cleaning clients as quickly as possible, there's one thing you need to master. And no, it's not your prices or your mopping technique. It's trust. Because if clients don't trust you, they won't hire you, period. You could be the cheapest, most thorough cleaning business on the planet, and it wouldn't matter. No trust, no client. Trust is the engine behind everything in your cleaning business. It's what makes people say yes to you. It's what keeps them coming back. It's what gets them raving about you to their friends. And it's what keeps your calendar full without having to beg for jobs or chase cheap clients. But if you're not building trust from day one, clients will doubt you, especially if you're a new business or if they hired a bad cleaning business before. And this makes sense because clients aren't just buying a cleaning service. They're buying confidence that you'll do exactly what you say you'll do. But don't worry, building trust and landing more clients is far easier than you might be thinking right now. And in this video, I'm showing you the most powerful ways to do exactly that. And these aren't theories. These are methods that I've used for over 25 years, creating a highly profitable cleaning business with clients who stick around, pay on time, and tell everyone they know about me. And these methods are just a small sample of what my coaching students use to keep growing their successful businesses. Like Katie on here, who landed 2 new clients in a single day by doing the exact things I'm breaking down in this video. So let's dive in. Here are the 7 ways to build more trust and land more cleaning clients. Strategy number 1, be consistent. Trust isn't built on big promises. Trust is built on consistent actions that the client sees over and over again. What does that mean? It means that you show up when you say you will. It means that you deliver on your promises, even in the earliest phase of a new relationship. This is actually when trust is most important. So something as simple as calling them back in a timely manner to deliver a bid builds trust. And then when existing clients see the same excellent service visit after visit, it tells them that you're reliable. Being reliable in the cleaning industry makes you incredibly valuable. So you want to build trust and land more clients? Then it's simple. Promise what you can actually do, and then do it every single time. Strategy number 2, communicate like a professional. Do you want to know the fastest way to lose a client's trust? Going silent, or not following up when you said you would. People don't like guessing games, especially when they're paying premium rates to have their property cleaned. So confirm appointments ahead of time, especially when meeting new clients. Send reminders of cleanings, and if something changes, tell them right away before they have to ask. In fact, I always say you should communicate more rather than less. Just be clear, be quick, and be professional in every message. Because when you communicate this way, you show the client that you are reliable and trustworthy. Strategy number 3, be crystal clear upfront. Most problems between cleaning businesses and clients are caused by poor communication. For example, maybe they thought cleaning the inside of the fridge was included. Maybe they thought you'd bring all the supplies. Maybe they thought you'd move furniture. If you aren't clear about these things up front, you could end up having a very stressful conversation with your client later. But you'll know this by simply asking them what they want. So create a custom solution for them and then simply perform the job well. That's how you'll become their go-to cleaning business. Strategy number 4, own your mistakes right away. Here is something you may not realize. You're going to mess up at some point. Everyone does. You or a cleaner on your team might miss something, break something, or get bad feedback about something you thought was perfect. But here's the secret. Clients don't leave because you made a mistake. They leave when you try to hide a mistake, or because you made excuses when they brought one to your attention. So if something goes wrong, own it right away. Say you're sorry and mean it. Fix it fast. And don't make excuses or try to blame anyone else. That level of honesty grows solid trust. And people trust you when you take responsibility. Strategy number 5, write everything down. You know when this is especially important? When you first meet a new client. It's a subtle clue to them that you are detail-oriented and you won't miss anything. And being detailed and organized shows that you're a professional who takes your work seriously. Strategy number 6, Create small habits that build connection. This strategy is powerful. Think of things that will make a client feel remembered and special. This could be something as simple as leaving a residential client a handwritten thank you card after the first clean. Maybe it's popping by a commercial client's office once a month just to check in and see if they need anything. These small gestures are important because they show your clients that you care about them. And it's a reminder to them that they should be referring you to others. And strategy number 7, look like a real business. Here's the reality. A lot of people have been burned by bad cleaning businesses. So you know what helps clients trust you right away? Looking and acting like a professional business. So have a nice logo. Provide proof of insurance if asked. Prepare simple contracts. Send professional invoices in a timely manner. Have a business email address instead of using your personal email. A professional voicemail message. Even if you're brand new and just starting out, act like an established business. Because when you look professional, clients stop worrying, they relax, and they think they've got this. And that's exactly what you want them to think. Like our coaching student here, Mugabe, who presented their business using our methods, who stood their ground when the client tried to negotiate, and they won the client anyways. So to recap, building trust with clients isn't hard, but it's the most important part of business and winning more customers. And when you do the things we talked about in this video, trust builds naturally. And when you have trust, clients stay. Then they tell their friends, and you end up with even more great clients, just like them. Trust is what keeps your schedule full and your business growing, because your clients should feel completely safe putting their home, their office, and their money in your hands. And if you want my personal help building the most trustworthy cleaning business in your market, then click the link below to learn how to work directly with me. And let's keep building what you want together.